Okay, so the next, you're covering those holes. If you cover that hole, that's all right. That's what'll happen. Okay, so we'll check that afterwards. Now hit this one. Do this one. Watch your fire. Get your roll of solder. Heat that one up. Now see, if you didn't wipe that flux off, the solder would run down. Okay, now hit it with the solder and move and go into that groove. You're doing good. Okay, now you want to hand me that solder. Let me open it up some for you.
I can see the flux trickling down.
Yeah.
It's very hot.
Yep. And at any time you can always wipe that too, just so you know. You can always wipe that with your glove if you feel comfortable. There you go. Perfect. That looks like it might be good. So now heat it one more time and then wipe it with your glove to clean it. Yep. That's it. You should be good. I think you should be good. You can also do this too if you want. I mean, you know. Okay, now wait, you got one more.
Oh,
you got the half-inch one, yeah. Click it.
We're gonna leave this in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead and click it. Always be mindful of where your torch is at, you know what I'm saying? No, you're okay. I'm just saying, you did it right, I'm just saying. A little bit on the top. Okay, do your torch again. Okay, now wipe that joint. Just wipe it with your glove before it cools down there. Okay, we'll test.